Cardi and Cardi here with you guys again. This time I'm on the bench, guys. This is a Sundown Audio SIA 1250D. Alright guys, so this one come to me. Burnt out power supply. As you guys can see, don't think I have a glare at this light, guys. I don't know why, but it's like it's bright. So it's not showing how much this power supply burnt out, but we'll get there, guys. Let me take it apart. Then you guys will see what I'm talking about. I guess outside is too bright, guys, so it's making this. Yeah. Oh no. So I'm gonna remove these screw here. These are the front right here, guys. Yeah. And these nuts right here, guys. These one. This is a Tiffany style way. Then I'm gonna pull these one from the back, like that, hold the plate. Yeah, I'll remove like 4 from back here. I think it's 4 or 4. Yeah, 4. I just use a pliers that like put this up a little. Normally do that, one little turn, and then my finger do the rest, guys. Like I'll just do like this. And come off with the little white spacer. Yeah, the spacer in and out on this thing, guys. So yeah, put these aside, and this thing should just comes out. If there's no more screw, just like that. See that, guys? This hole here is. See, this thing is not showing it, guys. I burnt here, guys. You could see that. Alright, so I'm putting it aside. Sway up, messing me up, guys. As you can see, guys, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So these are the H1, guys. So what I'm gonna put here is the 1404, guys. Yeah. And then I check around, see if anything else is bad. So it uses H1 here for the power supply, and B3 up here, guys. B3 you could use RFB 4127. Yes, guys, you could use that, or you could still use the IRFB 4115 at 4115, guys. Yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Unfortunately, I did unplug the solder iron and I did turn it off. So let's plug it in back and let me get this at an angle that I really want it, guys. So you guys can't see properly. Yeah, so that looks good right there. So yeah, I hope there's no more issue with this, but I'll find out in a second. So I'm going to go ahead now, guys, and go run through it a little while the solder iron is heating. So I'm going to test the output. Let me see which one of these is the outputs, which one is the diodes. These are the diodes, 2 diodes on there, so I use 4 output, guys. So come on, man. 2 of these are bad. And 2 is good. B3. Yeah. So let me check my Let me see which one I would put those in, guys. 41, and that's the 4127 I said, guys, just now. Yeah, 4127 would be over here. And sometime, let me see if I have the B3 where I remove from another board, so I just match it up with the other two that's bad, or just go ahead and just remove the old batch, do the old batch. Alright, one more thing I'm gonna check, guys, hold on. Let me check, wow, let me check here. These are the 4. Alright, so I have some. Oh, so these are not, these are C2. Ha ha ha. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna use. Alright, guys, I'm going to use. I'm going to replace these guys with 4 of the 4127, guys. So 4 4127 of the same batch. Alright. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. For this repair, yeah. Right, so I should go ahead here, guys. Put these at the end of this there. Alright. Let's remove these bad guys. Then I'm gonna get 1404. Wow. Okay, guys. Come on, some. Alright, guys, so the board here, guys, you could see it looks nasty. Yeah, so you have to wash that. I'm going to wash this board. Keep bouncing that thing for the thing, and it's keep messing me up. I always gotta put that plug somewhere, guys, but it's funny. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, I like to put some on it, let it sit like a little. Okay, let's stay over there. guy. Yes, sir. Right, guys, so I have a little pointy little thing here that I use to poke around. Alright, so these uses gate resistor here. Let me see which one they use for gate resistor. This use 4R7. That's 4.7 ohms. Right. So the one resistor 125 is 4.7 ohms. That's bad. And resistor 172 4.7 ohms. And resistor 126 4.7 ohms. And also resistor 127 4.7 ohms. Alright, so let me see, guys, what I'm going to do here. If I should just replace all, but it seems like it's only one that really burned bad. The other one looks really good. That's good. Yeah, so I'm gonna just remove only the one with this repair, guys. Don't judge me, guys. The board looks really nice and clean. I'm gonna change all four, but in this case, yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Alright, let me see. If the track is cut off, that goes to the gate. Oh, it's good. So yeah, right beside it you have a 1K ohms. Yeah, 1K ohms. Yeah, that's resistor 124, guys, is 1K ohms. Just letting you know. And up here you have 4.7. That one is good. And you have one right here, also good, which is a good look. Normally I would change this IC right here, guys, but let me see if it's shorting out in any way. Sometimes it do, but this time I'm not getting a bad reading from it. But let me see. Okay, this is a twin. This is a 4427, guys, right here. And it says C12. So yes, guys, I'm not going to replace it, guys. I'm going to see something. Yeah, I'm gonna take a chance with this one. Alright, guys, give me a minute while I find 4.7 ohm resistor for here. Alright, guys, give me a minute. Alright, guys, so I have the 14040 here. So I'm gonna just start putting them in before I even do that gate resistor, because I have a little way of doing it. Because what I'm gonna install is gonna be a little bit bigger, so I wanna start it straight to the leg of it. Right, so let me tack these, guys. Just a little solder on the middle pins to hold these legs in for now. Then I get this 4.7 ohms here. And they never landed like you want them to, guys. Look at that, it goes right to the little screw hole right there. Look at that. All of a sudden this screwdriver is point of magnet on it. You saw the antip, guys. And everything giving you trouble now. Jesus, almost. Ow, ow, ow. Got it, guys. Got it, I got it, I got it. I go solder all these other ones now from top, and then I go to the bottom. Yeah. But don't overdo it, guys. No what amount you put on the top, and then you go around to the bottom, you know. Sometimes you don't even have to do nothing around there. Can see it right through the crack on the board or between the legs. Alright, so yeah, we back here now. Yeah, you could do this. And this one now, the middle pin, guys, I like to just put it down like that. Yeah. Reinforcement for that joint. So in case it should burn off someday. That prevented it, but and these blow up, these really blow up, guys. So sometimes it doesn't even make sense. I do that anyway. Yes, guys, big car show coming up on the weekend, guys. I mean, classic car show, guys. Yeah, so I have a lot of stuff to do. As you can see, speakers, amplifier. The guy really need this for some mid tweeter, I think, or two-door speaker or something like that. I think he says. Not quite remember what he says there, but yeah, I know he need it. He really need it. And there was some other one he gave me to look at too. So I should just let him know. When I'm finished with those, just give him the price, and you know, he'll come pick them up. So yep. So these down here, guys, these four. If I don't want to make any mistake, I'm gonna remove them. These up here, guys, is the diode, recovery diode, guys. Move those. Remember now, come on, remove four, only four. Okay, stop right there. Come on, I miss. Yeah, nice. You could see this amplifier go to some real stress, guys. So here, really discolored. I'm gonna look what it has, what's at this spot. I think this is it's a transistor right here. This is a voltage regulator. So 12 volts. Oh yeah. Let me check something with this, guys. This really look not. It was overeating like crazy. Check if it even soldered to the board. Yeah, it's checking out fine. So this use two C12 IC. So you have the IC, said IC 18. Oh, IC 18 is C11. And IC. Let me see what this one is. C12 is IC what? IC 3. And then you have C12 over here again in the middle, somewhere off here, right beside the transformer. I don't know. I see what that one is, but when I find out what IC11 is, guys, I'll let you know. So, guys, yeah, hold on, before I do anything else, guys, always check these diode. These will mess you up. Good. Good, good. Yes, it should do that. Yes, it should do that. Good. Alright, so let me check gate resistor here. So 1 ohms. Yeah, 1 R. 1 ohms. Yeah, these are 1 ohms gate resistor, guys. Yeah, 1 ohm gate resistor. Okay. Alright. Oh, from the bottom this time here. Because these guys are not cutting the pins on these because the ones I pulled out, yeah, they didn't cut them. So it's easy to measure. I'm doing what I'm doing here, so hold on. This doesn't look good right here. This joint look weird. Yeah. This one too. Have a little crack around it. That's weird. Alright. Nice, guys. Look at that. Nice and clean. Look at that. See that, guys? So yeah, those are IRB 4127. This is a back view of it, yes, guys. So yeah, I'm going. I don't want to make this video too long, guys, only if I have to. So I'm gonna pause it for a while and check around some stuff and let you guys know what's going on. There's a little way you could check to, guys, unless the power supply is working fine, or maybe sometimes this works. See that, guys? It's not shorting out. So sometimes that's a good thing, but not all the time. You know, still could have stuff that's bad in the board. Yeah. So don't always count on that little trick right there, guys. Or not a trick, but it's just telling you if it's the positive, it's shorting out to the negative in any way, shape, or form. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to poke around a bit. We have the two capacitor right here. Not shorting out or anything. Okay. So they put 4 terminal down here, guys, but it's only 2. It's the mono amplifier, so yeah, don't get confused. Alright. So yes, guys, I'm gonna poke around this area right here. Alright, that's 4R7, 4R7. Check some diode here. 4R7 right there. And there. 4R7. Yeah, this one uses the guys the C5. Yeah, guys, for the drive, Mosfet driver IC. And you guys already know C5 is what already, guys. Yeah, I told you guys 1,000 times, guys. So, you know. Yeah, C5, guys, is IRS 2957S. Okay, guys, yeah. And up here for the output, you have this diode 5 watt at 10 ohms. Yeah, always check that port, that resistor, guys. This heat resistor, port resistor. I'm saying diode, sorry, correction. Yeah, guys, this should be working. Yeah, that's 4R7. There's a 1 ohm right here. Yeah. Alright, guys, give me a minute. I'll poke around and get back with you guys. Alright, guys, I'll hook up some stuff to it now. So hold on, I wonder if I should just hook up a speaker. Don't hook up a speaker, guys, just in case if it make any. Oh crap! I hate when that happens. Oh boy, this is right underneath there. Alright, guys, let me see. I want you guys to see if it was on. If it does pour on, guys. But I'm gonna put a speaker to you guys just because I wanna just do one test and. No, I'm not gonna do that, guys. What I'm going to do, get these screws up like this. So I can push these underneath. I'm not gonna hook it up because you never know. Just in case it doesn't work. Alright, let me just connect one of this terminal here, guys. One of the terminal just in case. And I'm gonna just do an audio test with, I think if it comes on. Alright, so let me pour it on and see. Alright, guys, we get, it's going, hold on, it's going to go to blue, switch it off. Some people don't like when I do this, guys, but don't worry. I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this a long time, and I don't have any problem with doing it. So I'm going to put up audio to you guys and see. I don't even know which one of these is which, but I'm just gonna see if I get any audio, guys. All right, on. You guys can see. So, what do you use this to play bass? This thing is. Oh crap. Alright. Up and running, guys. Up and running. So yeah, that take care of everything, guys. So now I'm gonna put it in chassis, guys, and then I said I'm gonna give it some tests that I can do because YouTube gets really strict with their thing, and I don't even know. I don't play instrumental anymore, guys, because of copyright. Everything's copyright, guys. Even though sometimes I get some and they say YouTube music and it's still copyright, so I don't know. See, guys, these are the 4127 IRFB. Yeah, these work perfectly. Even the 415 works good too, guys. But yeah, this is the preferred one I normally use, yeah. And this one, so yeah. So guys, I'm gonna clean this up now. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up and put some put some stuff here. Yeah, some of that heat compound, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put some nice one there, and maybe I think something's wrong here, guys. Let me see here. It's come like this is damaged. Oh yeah, guys, look at this. It burned through it, guys. So I'm gonna have to put some insulator underneath this. I have this insulator, guys. Yeah, I do have it. But where? I don't remember. I put it. But I will find it, guys. So the most important part is that it's working. Alright, so let me put the circuit board in view so you guys can see, guys. Nice circuit board, guys. Really powerful amplifier, believe me. This is a really powerhouse, believe me. So yeah. So that's it, guys, for now. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And Cardi, guys, is out for now. Alright, enough respect.